Learn how one class can inherit properties and methods from another class. Inheritance lets one class reuse code from another class using extents. In this example, we are going to look at how that can be done with JavaScript classes. So let's go ahead and write the code. So here are some guidelines. We first need to create a parent class called car. We add constructor and method inside it. We create a child model using extend. We use super to call parent constructor, add new property model, add method show, and create object and display result. So let's start with the first one. So let's create the parent class car, and then inside it we have a constructor, and our constructor will just take the parameter of branch. So now we seal our branch. Now after this, create child class model. Now add constructor and method present. So we need to add the method. The method name is present now. And inside it, I just want to return a simple text. I have a I want to use small letter, not capital letter. It can. So I've added the method. Now I can come outside of what I have here and move to step 3. Create child class model using extend. So I need to call model and let it extend car, which is the parent class. So inside this also, I will put a constructor. You can see use super to call parent constructor. And my constructor here will take branch and model. Now inside it, I can now use this super to call what? To call the parent constructor. Now, add new property model, add method show. So I need to add a show method. And this one will just return something as simple as this. My method, my app inside present. So now I've done this, then I can create objects and display results. How do I create objects? Well, call the new keyword again, my car, and create an object from the model. This time we are not calling from car, we are calling from the model, which is a child of the parent. So because create child class model using extend, so we have already created a child class which is mimicking the parent. So you can now pass in your type of car, Ford Mustang, and then you can go ahead and output this get element by ID. Just inner HTML equals to my car dot show. So call this method. And you can see this. I have a Ford. It is a, where is this undefined coming from? It is a this dot model. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is where the problem is. It is a Mustang. So I know this example might be overwhelming at first, but if you follow it line by line, and if you read what we have here under the comments, then you understand it better. So What we basically did here is we created a car class. Then it has property of car name and a method called present. Then this model extends car, and then the super brand that you have here set inherited property. It inherits what we have inside the parent here. So model now add its own property model. So inside model we added another property to it. Now shows method here is now using both the parent and child data, and it is what is using here to display the results that you can see on the screen. So extend here creates inheritance from the parent code. Super call parent constructor. The child gets parent method, which is this, and also can add new property just as it's added model for itself. So you can see how we can reuse code with inheritance, because parent method are accessible in child, and super, which is this, is require a constructor. So inheritance helps you build scalable and reusable code structures. And with extend and super, JavaScript classes can share and extend behavior efficiently without rewriting code. You can see how flexible this is, and we can create different instances, or as many as we want as instances of what we have here in our code.